Alright, everybody. This is me, Kevin.
Yes.
The hell, ho? Damn, video just started.
It's a light.
This is me, and that's Willie's gay ass right there.
Stop poking my face, eh?
This is Willie's gay phone. Look at all his text messages. That's his boyfriend.
Nah, chill.
Alright, so what are we gonna do right now? It's crazy noises in the dark. Top 10 most disturbing noises to hear
My
while you're
mom's
sleeping.
asleep. No, hell no, my mom's
Top
asleep.
10 most disturbing noises you hear when you're sleeping. Noise 1.
Something like that.
Alright, noise 2. Silence. Straight up silence. Pay attention to the silence. And the demons get you. Alright, noise 3. I can't scream because I'm not a queer. Alex, that goes for you. Alright, noise 4, is it? Hear that when you're alone at home?
Run.
Nigga, just blow up. Noise 3. Wait, what noise are we on? 6, right?
Not 5.
6?
5.
That was 5.
Okay, fine. We're just gonna have to make 2
Alright,
more.
6. There, damn, we're on 6. Alright, let's see, what noise,
You already did that one.
That's not even a noise, ho.
No, do something like it's like about a guy that's about to.
Alright, so this one is from personal experience.
Dude, you demonic ass little dog.
Alright, noise 7. No, noise, yeah,
Let me
noise
make
7.
some noises, nigga. You did all of them. Get that
This
crap
is
on my
noise
face.
7, ho.
Alright, but don't put it all in my face.
I'm trying to see you.
Okay,
with
put
your
it in my
gas
face.
light.
Okay, fine. Put it in my face.
Where's
man.
your light at, ho?
You hear that, nigga? You better run, dog.
Alright,
You
noise
better
8.
damn run, dog. Nah, I only wanted to do one.
Faggot, noise 8. Alright, noise 10. And up to now is the top most demonic noise I've ever heard. While I was going to sleep, I was home alone. Everyone was gone because I murdered half of them. And the other half were on a witness protection program. So, except Uncle Bob. No one knew where Uncle Bob is.
That nigga's in the tree, dog.
Nigga, that nigga is still in Detroit, raping them country folk. Anyways, I heard this noise, bro. It was 3 in the morning, witching hour. Here's what it sounded like. Someone.
I want your soul. Give me your soul.
And those were the top 10 most disturbing noises to hear while you're going to sleep. Damn, now I'm not gonna be able to go to sleep. Oh,
Yeah, I can't go to sleep.
y'all better like this YouTube, because made me lose